Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Divine Designs by Dee Dee. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're a returning guest, I really appreciate you coming back to visit little old me. Thanks for stopping in. I just did some crazy stuff, that's why I was laughing. Okay, what I have here is I have this piece piece on earth sign that I broke a loose that comes from the Dollar Tree, and I went on and I painted it white. And also I have one of these mats here from the Dollar Tree. It was one of the let me show you. It's one of these mats right here you get from the Dollar Tree, placemats. And so what I did was I have this piece of what this is this was one of the, you cook on them. I don't know what they're called, but they're those little boards that you cook on. Most people use them and cook like fish and stuff on them on a grill. But anyway, I had these two. They were brand new. I got from the thrift store a while ago. And all I did was just put two together. And that's what this is here. And so I took one of the placemats and I cut it to the size that I needed it to be. I cut it a little bit big so it looks like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Mod Podge. And I'm going to take a little glue, hot glue, and I'm going to glue this down on here. So I'm not going to put the Mod Podge around the edges because I do want to glue this down on the edges. So pretty much just putting it in the middle. And I painted it white because I wanted you to see the white through the placemat here. So I got that there. I'm just going to take a little glue and put on this edge right here. And I'm going to place this down on here. And I'm going to take the tip of this and put it down. And I didn't put a lot because I didn't want it to really seep through like this. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it kind of seeped through. The glue kind of seeped through the, it's just for a little hold. So I'm going to put just a little bit on this side here. Just a very thin layer is what I put on there. And so it looks like this. And I wanted the stripe to be down here. So it is overlapping. So when it dries, I'm going to go and cut that off. Actually, I probably can do it now because I don't have to lay it down on anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a X-Acto knife and I'm just going to cut that extra off right there. And I got just a tiny bit right here. So this is what it looks like here. And then I have my piece on earth that I'm going to put on here. And I'm going to glue it down. But I got to wait till my glue dries up underneath there, because it's wet and it's not going to glue to the wet. But what I did was I took one of these little wreaths that you get from the Dollar Tree, and I just twisted up this and made like a little wreath and put two little berries on there. I was trying to find another berry and I didn't have one. And then what I did was I took one and I twisted it up. So this is going to be my nose. So I'm going to put, my on. So I'm going to put that there. And put that there. And then we're going to have this little sign that says Peace on Earth. So you guys stay tuned. I got to wait till it dry. And I'll be back. Okay, while that is drying, what I'm going to do is I am going to take my little, what is this? Crimson, I think, paint. And I got a little brush here. And I'm going to dip it in there. And what I want to do is, I want to go around my letters. And make some little lines around my letters so they can stand out a little bit. Makes like some little stitches. So I'm going to keep doing this around my letters, and when I get done, I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start gluing everything. So I'm going to go ahead on and glue my earth down. My piece is already glued down because I glued it down to see if it was dry. And it looks like everything is dry. So here's my O and my N. I'm going to glue it down right there. Then I have this little piece of pick here, and I cut it down a little bit, and I want to stick it right here, but I'm trying not to hide the E And it looks like it's going to be too long to cover up the P. So I'm going to clip it down a little bit. Well, it's got a wire in there. Clip it off. So it looks like this. I'm sorry I don't have my light on. It looks yellow in here. I've been noticing that. I don't have my there we go. So I'm going to stick this right here. Trying to get it together. There we go. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to put a glue back here. I'm going to glue that down right there. Then I'm going to get a piece of try to cover up this piece of twig here. Got a few little berries. That I can probably lay on top of it. Yep, I'll put these little berries on there. I'll lay them right there. Then I have this little greenery piece here that I just cut off. I'll put that piece on top there. Just to hide the twig. Then I have this other little piece here. Okay, so let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. I think it came out really, really cute. I really like the little stitching that I put on there. I think it kind of popped the sign a little bit. But this is what it looks like. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am going to put a backing on the back of this, but I think I'm just going to put a saw tool on there, so maybe it can either be hung or I don't know. I don't think I want to put any beads or anything on it because I don't want it to take away from the stitching. But it came out really, 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 really nice. Peace on earth. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My camera is going dead, so I'm going to have to stop recording tonight. But I do want to show you my next video, which is going to be this here, Let It Snow. So I'm going to put this together when my camera gets some juice. So you guys have a good night. Thanks.